Hi guys, welcome back to the Tech channel, and in this next video I'll be showing you how you can watch Netflix US from any location in the world. So whatever the region that you are currently, you can actually have access to Netflix US, and here is how to go about it on your Windows PC. And we're going to be using Proton as a free VPN to access Netflix US. Now, to install Proton VPN, you can come to your browser and you'd want to search for Proton VPN, and then you'd want to click on download VPN, and you can download for Windows right here. So once it's downloaded on your device, you just want to follow prompt and have the VPN installed on your Windows PC. The process is pretty simple and you shouldn't have any issue installing Proton VPN on your PC. Now, as soon as Proton VPN is installed, the next thing is to come right here and you'd want to launch the VPN. Now, you might be required to register an account on the Proton website, and then you can log in on the VPN application. So once you're logged in, you'd get on a free server, and you can see in my case the default server I get is Netherlands. However, you can change to another location or another region also for free. And if I go ahead and click on change server, you can see that by default again switch to the US server. So once you are connected to the US server on your Proton VPN, the next thing to do is to come to the search bar and then click on search for Netflix and have that launched. Right now you can see that the Netflix content that you're watching right now is actually tailored for the US audience. You can see from here it says top 10 series in the US today. So that's it on how to access Netflix US using free Proton VPN on your Windows. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.